I'm Srinival Tadepalli from Amazon Web Services, and I have with me a partner, SQ. So the way we have structured our talk today is, for the first 10 minutes or so, I'll be presenting what Amazon Web Services has to offer, HPC services for our customers. And then our partners, Tim and Nikhil from SQ, they'll present how they have implemented native cloud-based full waveform inversion on top of AWS. And then they'll also talk about 3 specific customer examples later on, and then talk about the benefits of running full waveform inversion, or XWI, on AWS. Now, when it comes to the HPC workloads, we have been working with our customers very closely over the years, and you can broadly categorize them into 6 different categories or buckets. Firstly, we call them as the tightly coupled workloads. Now, think of these workloads to be MPI dependent. An example for this particular industry would be reservoir simulation, or even CFD simulations, or implicit analysis, just finite element analysis and things like that. And then the second category of workloads is what we call as loosely coupled. So these are typically embarrassingly parallel workloads. And again, the perfect example for this workload in the seismic industry is the seismic processing, where you're trying to process tens of thousands of shots. You launch hundreds of thousands of cores, process this simultaneously in parallel, and when you're done, you can shut them down again. So that's really the power. So going back to Spot, one of our partners here is SQ. They have built some really innovative solutions, taking advantage of the Spot pricing and the Spot infrastructure, and they have built a complete cloud-native adaptive waveform inversion on top of AWS. So in order to talk about what XWI is, as well as how they have implemented on AWS, I'm going to invite Tom from SQ.